You're welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm going to take you through how to add content to the content page. I want to believe that now the word content and content page is clearly distinguished for you. In adding content to our lesson structure, we're going to make use of the text editor inbuilt in Moodle. Over here, I'm going to take you through some font styles. We already know, like using your Word document, but in this case we can add emojis, we can have tables, we can add images, audios and videos, but I'm going to divide this into two to have a short videos done. So the first part will be that of the styles and images, and then I'll take you through the audios and videos in the next session. So let's see how we do that. So I've already logged in here. I want to take my lesson structure. Assume you want to edit the content of unit 0. So when you click edit lesson here, you have all these content pages you have created, but there are no content so far. I think I already did the sum, so let's assume I want to edit the course outline page. So you use the pencil here and then edit content. So I want to delete everything I did here, okay, so I can show you exactly what I did. So let's start with the font style. Immediately start typing anything. I am a girl. Okay, course outline. This is the course outline for you. Forgive me of my spellings, okay, for you. You can do anything you want to do with this text. You can bold in it. I can copy this whole thing. Let me just paste it so many times and then see. Right. Instead of bolding, just as we use in our word editor, we can italize it. When you come to insert, or let me say edit here, there are so many things for you. In the view button, there are so many things for you to look at. In the insert section, we can insert all these types. We'll take it one after the other. So that's what I'm doing in the format. I can bold in, I can italize, underline, strike through, anything you want to do. Let's see the code format, and then new code. It just changes the color from black to red. Probably you want to emphasize something in your text and you want to use that for me. Let's see the other format. Okay, I want you to take you through the paragraphs and then the headlines. What is the difference here? You want to know that this text editor uses the HTML syntax. It means if you are very good with HTML syntax, you can easily write your source code. So assuming I want to first add an emoji and say so in emoji I want to say insert. When you click on emojis, there are a whole lot of images for you to select, just as we use on our WhatsApp platform. So these are for you. You must choose emojis to make meaningful information to whatever you want to add. Okay, not just use any emoji at all. So assume I want to use a writing material, something like this, and I say outline here, or outline. I want to do it with italize. When I double click and I use any of the headings here, it gives you the heading size, the font size. So look at heading 3, what happens? It's like a header, and under it I can write certain things. I can create another header, or I can even insert a line to differentiate them. So I'm done with the first content I want to write. I can insert another emoji and say this is a video, so a video should be an object. Okay, so I want to say lecture video here. You can undo with the bolding. So if I this and I use 6, see the difference between this and then that. So you can play with the headers. I can now take it to 5, see the difference. 4, 3 is the largest. So you check how you want your page to look like and then you use them. Let's look at another font one here. I want to use the quote. The quote is a block code for you. So sometimes you want to have a block code for students to read, that is up to you. I can add so many things, enter, and then still be in a block. So when it comes to the text editing format, you have the liberty to just explore all the formatting styles here. Okay, then I made something, adding of tables and images. Okay, so let me save this and move to a different page. assume I want to edit the learning outcome page, so I use my pencil here. Now let's do the insertion of tables here. So I can insert, and then I have tables. That is if you need the tables. Where are you here? You can select the number of rows and columns for a table. So assume I want 2 rows, and then so this is 4 rows and 3 columns. I can now insert and then do whatever I want to do with my tables. If you want to insert an image, so you go through the same process. So let me come down a bit, and then I can use either this emoji here called the, or this icon, sorry, called the image, or I can still use and insert an image. But I always want to use the shorts icons at my disposal. So I click on images. This means that your image should have been saved somewhere on your computer where you can easily drag and drop, or you can browse and take them. But I always love the drag and drop. So let's see, on my desktop I have a folder called my lesson images. So I can drag this and then drop it in. It would always require you to save the name, so that if someone cannot see it, the name should describe. So there's a family union family union image for me. Original size is cool, so I can save. Now see what you have. It is beautifully displayed. You can position your images very well. It can be in the center, it can be at the far right. You can even extend the size. That is, if you want the student to see it very well, you can extend or you can shrink it up. Any way you want to position your images, you are good to go in your studies. Okay, I think that is it for now. And the next one, I'll take you through that of the audios and then the videos inserted in your lesson. One more thing I want to add up. It might seem boring to be typing all these things, but don't worry. You can copy and paste from any reference material at all. It can be from your slides, it can be from your notes, it can be from the reference book. As far as there are text in there, you can easily copy them and paste. So let's try that one out. Let me bring it here. So assuming I have opened my slides here, I want to copy those things. I can easily copy them instead of typing everything out and then paste. It works perfectly. How do I add these numbers or buttons? You come to here. There are a whole lot of things to explore. You can have the numbers, and I do something, enter, another thing comes. If you want to be out of the numbers, you have to just double enter, sorry, and then it will take you out of whatever you have. So I can use the button, another button, and then double enter. It takes me out of the button. And so you can explore all these tools here for you. And that is a simple thing of adding content to your page. So that is your course, okay? So feel free to add up the content to the pages. Thank you.